Hello and welcome to Chikabala channel. This time I'm gonna teach you how to do beard. Basically beard. You can apply the same technique to hair. It's about this kind of wavy effect. So please leave a like and subscribe. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of tutorials and time lapses, all sorts of sculpting related stuff. So I'm just gonna show you really quickly few tips how to make a bunch of pieces of clay turn into this. So what I would suggest is to use something not really sharp. So this tool, as you can see, has soft edges. You can also sand it down a little bit if edge is too sharp. Okay, and what I want to share is one really simple tip that makes your beard or hair looks much better. So what you do, you just build the beard or hair with a lot of small pieces of clay, like so. It's like small snakes, spiky snakes, and you want to build volume. So that's why you can see there is a lot of small pieces of clay, and then what you do is just, okay, let's do this piece here. So you go into it and then you kind of do the snake thing, and then you follow the line and push the clay over that kind of. Okay, so you're pushing clay a lot. So you follow the lines and you kind of turn the tool like this. How you're going, if you're doing a snake, you're kind of turning and pushing clay around. So just like that, kind of push it around, and you get this nice texture. And then kind of follow it and again twist it. You just twist the tool, that's what I mean. And you have, again, just twisting a little bit, just like that, to create those kind of fake hairline. You see, just like twisting clay around, playing with it. See, I'm doing this, just like that. You see the tool? So I'm going straight and then twist. I'll let my tool do the job actually, like so. You see how it twists? It creates this nice looking texture. And then repeat. You just repeat, and when you have a lot of same texture on same spots, that's when you get actually the full picture of it. Just like that, just push it around, do the snake movement, kind of like that. And later on you can use something a little bit more sharp. This is maybe too sharp, but you should never go directly on a clay with sharp object. You just maybe lean it, kind of do it from a really soft angle, and then you can just do some extra textures, like smaller textures if you want, like a bigger piece, just like this. Again, just a snake movement. You would also like to use this, it's good to use it on the ends of the beard of hair to create thinner ends. Okay, so let's do a little bit more here. This is mustache part. Yep, just like that. And then when you do the second line, it gets much nicer. You see, it creates hairs by itself. Okay, so when you have pieces of clay like this, it's good to kind of melt them together a little bit. So again, cutting and kind of twisting motion. Bam, you see how it creates on both sides a wave, sort of. You see, looks epic. That's gonna be epic mustache. Melt this together. Melt bond, I mean. Okay, so who doesn't like epic mustaches? Everyone likes them. You see, just see motion. And what's interesting is that you're creating with this kind of tool, you're creating a wave kind of look from both of the sides. So it's good to have something like sharp, but not really sharp, as I said. So quite often you will find tools like this on eBay or Amazon, and what I always do is just sand them down. You can easily sand them down with a little bit rougher sandpaper, and it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna create that software kind of cut into clay. You don't want really rough cuts, then it looks weird and it kind of tears apart your clay. Just like that. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, if you mess up like this, just go over it a little bit and then do the same motion. You're gonna have even more random patterns. Very nice. Okay, just running these two together. Just like that. Snakes up. See, this is too much, too deep. So again, snake, twist. See, this is now a little bit too thick here, so you can grab something thinner and go in the middle of it, kind of to create more of a texture. Okay. Just like that. Snake and twist. Kind of push. Kind of doing the wave thing. Okay, so I don't want this. I pushed a little bit too much over the lip here. I don't want this part to go too much over the lip. I don't want to hide the lip. I'm just gonna push it a little bit more away from the lip. Okay, and just like that. Just slowly create that wave motion. So basically this is it, guys. You can see how it looks here when you have section done. you just repeat, you know, and then later on you can use some kind of 90% alcohol and a normal brush, like a plastic brush, and just go softly over it to soften things up. And that's it, guys, for this one. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials and time lapses and all sorts of stuff. And have a nice day. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.